The color density on this cluster is excellent. Agreed, the automated sort is accurate.
Keep an eye on the flow rate here.
Looks steady, no crushing reported by the sensor. See how the skins are separating?
Yes, it's perfect. The automated system is working well.
Look at the separation tank levels here.
We need to divert the solids conveyor immediately.
Particle size is consistent, exactly as specified.
The refinement process was successful. We can approve the batch. The refined grape fiber is now suitable for forming. The transformation from fruit waste into an industrial raw material is taking shape.
The composition levels are holding steady.
Good, we are ready for forming the flexible sheets. I've logged the latest readings from stage 3. Excellent, the mixture is much cleaner now.
Check the refractometer reading. Looks optimal, right on target for the sheeting line.
The automated system is maintaining consistent pressure here.
Yeah.
And the thickness is uniform across the sheet.
No microfractures on this run. Flexibility is within tolerance, ready for finishing.
This batch is perfect. The coating is fully stabilized, smooth, and flexible, ready for finishing.
The digital readings confirm the shade intensity is holding steady.
And the fabric sample feels premium. We are good for production.
Look at the uniformity here. The saturation is visibly low on this edge.
You're right, it's outside the acceptable variance.
Separate this one for correction. The grain definition is excellent on this batch.
Agreed, the pressure alignment is holding steady.
We need 50 gold zippers for the next batch. Are the trays ready? Almost. Just finishing the count on the rings. Handbags requiring magnetic closures move to a hardware installation station. Workers carefully mark the exact attachment positions before precision tools secure. After conditioning, the handbags move through a polishing station equipped with soft mechanical rollers. The
The stitching looks good, no fraying at all. How are the dimensions on the D-ring? They're within tolerance. Looks like a pass.
This collection truly defines sustainable luxury. The craftsmanship on the hardware is exquisite. From vineyard to luxury atelier, we've redefined sustainable fashion. These pieces are ready for the world stage. Selected handbags receive a final protective surface treatment designed to improve resistance to everyday moisture, dust,
Did you scan the last batch for the Milan shipment?
Yes, they are already updated in the system. The reach truck is taking them now. We are clear for wrapping sequence alpha. Confirmed. Sending the signal now.
All right, easy now. We need to balance the weight. Got it. Scan confirmed. Let's secure the barrier.
Check the stitching on this handle. It's flawless, yes, specimen. And the hardware is perfectly polished.